Hi everybody, welcome to today's video, and today's video is going to be Dollar Tree haul. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. And let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. It's a little small one like my previous videos that I've done. I've been in the hunt for those hand sanitizer dupes, the spray things, and I cannot find them. So I'm going to show you what I got. My Dollar Tree actually, since you know the 99-cent store is closing down, like one of the big ones here in my city closed down. So now Dollar Tree like is hyping up. That Dollar Tree that I went usually was small, but it had some stuff. Now they have the plus area, the $3, $5 area, and they even have a price scanner. Can you believe that? And they're stocking out everything, so it's well stocked. Except those hand sanitizers that I believe nobody has. But I'm going to show you. I went for essentials. I got these Scrub Buddies. These ones are, you get 3. It says value pack. They are good. They do the job. Have the harsh part and the smooth part and the foamy part for your dishes. I did got 2 of them because of the colors. I like to have enough. I also got this bath sponge. I do change my bath sponge frequently. I do have loofahs here already, so I didn't get these ones. But I like this one because I have a whole section of bluey for my daughters, and I thought this one was cute and it's big. I know my daughters do take showers together. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I was contemplating getting 2, but there is a sponge of bluey sponge, so I'm thinking that's how it works. This is how it looks on the inside. You see the loofah is like through here. I was meditating on it because look, it has this little ridges here like to separate the color of the rainbow, but maybe it'll scrub better. Okay, I also got these. I've been looking at TikToks of items that it's good to buy, not to buy, and I hadn't seen these or didn't pay attention on the area for the bathroom and the kitchen area, and I saw this on a TikTok, and I decided to grab them because I saw them. Stain remover wipes, lipsticks on the go. It is a little packet of individual wipes, and supposedly like you could put it in your car, at the office, when traveling. You get a stain or whatever, and you take out your little stain remover thing, and you'll remove the stain. Look, let me open it so I can show you, so you get an idea of how these look. It says it has 12 individual wrapped wipes, and this is how they look. Look at that. It's a good size of a stain remover. You know what this sign reminds me of? Tide. There you go. There it is. There's these ones. I'm going to put one in my purse and in my car. I also got one of these. I've gotten this one before. It is Mr. Clean. It is the brand. It does work. It only has one, but one goes a long way. You put a little bit of water. You clean it out. I use this for my bathtub. You know, when it gets yellowish and disgusting. This one does the job. I do the tub, and I also do the walls because my walls are like that plastic thing. So it does. It is Mr. Clean. They do also have their brand, like Dollar Tree brand. I didn't see it. I got Mr. Clean. It is what it is. I got that one. I got this Gunny brand claw clips. I got them for my daughters, not for particularly their hair, but for their baby dolls. And this is Gunny. This goes more than $1 anywhere else, like Target or Walmart. I got these because I'm going to do my niece's, she's my niece and my goddaughter, graduation cap. And I wanted these little beads, the pearls. So I wanted another one. They didn't have this, so this one was good, $1.25. I also got these loot bags or zipper seal bags. They're $40. I'm going to make a little end of the year goodie bag, which I bought these little bubble ones. I put a bubble one in something else, and then they'll have a little goodie bag for school. I also got this one, scrubbing bubbles. This is the Johnson. I don't know. I don't think this is a Dollar Tree brand. I could be mistaken. It has one blue disc. but it works for 4 months. Where did I saw 4 months? Oh, 4 weeks, I'm sorry. Each tablet lasts up to 4 weeks. I'm going to try it out. This is for your toilet bank or the toilet tank thing. Helps keep your toilet bowl stain free, continuous clean, one disc. And you put it, look, you open it, you put it in the tank, and side of the tank, and supposedly cleans your toilet every time is going to be flush. Hopefully it doesn't move onto other parts of the toilet, because then we'll be missing, like losing water. The other thing I got is this 140-piece rubber band elastics for the hair. They had this little bag. They had strawberry, avocado, bananas, and I believe it was a lemon, the other yellow thing. And this is like this. The rubber bands are a little bit thicker than your usual Dollar Tree ones. I got them because I like the bag, and I wanted to try these rubber bands on my dog, on her hair. Cookie has long hair. She's a Yorkie. I want to try it if this one stays longer than the other ones. The other thing I got was these little pots. It has, they're calling them planters. And there's, you see the little texture, like little grapes and stuff. I thought they were so cute. And there's 4 in a pack. And I've got new seeds that my mom brought me from Mexico that I thought I should give it a try in these little pots. They're in their garden area. Okay, and then the last thing, the last thing is this butter container. Look it, can you see the picture? It's BPA free. And you put your butter. We do use a lot of butter in the house, and the little leftovers, I put it in the little thing. But I thought it would be cuter if I stick the whole bar in here and just cut it, you know? Yes. Okay, this is one of the things I haven't find in my Dollar Tree. And I also got the card. They have a whole section where they have gift cards, and I got that stuff right there. Let me take a picture. I got that stuff right there. So that is all that I have for today's haul. Hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below if you have been able to find those hand sanitizer dupes. I see those hand sanitizers, the little ones, and it gets me mad because they have a bunch of those and they don't take out the other ones, and I'm pretty sure they have them. It's just keep them away. I've seen TikToks where people say that they work in the Dollar Tree and the people that work there keep it and they're reselling it, I'm guessing, or I don't know. But I just want to have like 4 of them. How difficult could that be to have those? But either way, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe. And if you did, thank you very much. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.